Very good morning, friends. Yes, very good morning. Very good morning. Good morning, guys. Okay, friends. So, guys, we were on the question number here. If you recall, guys, right? So, we were on this particular question in last session. And we have, I think, completed the point of fares and T's. Receipt from fare and contribution to receipt from T's and contribution to fares. This we have completed. Right, friends? Just recall this, guys. We have first prepared opening balance sheet. And after this much we have completed. Subscription, interest, T, fare, repairing. This much we have completed. Right, friends? Okay. And now, in sequence, okay, we were on the receipt side. So opening cash balance we have done. This bank balance BRS, if you recall, this was a point of bank reconciliation, and this is balance given as per passbook. We need balance as per cash book, and therefore we have reconciled these balances. Then you are given bank interest, then you are given subscription, then you are given receipt from T's and contribution to fares. Okay, as far as I understand, I remember till this point, right? We have completed the question. And now we are starting with sale of equipments. Now we are starting with sale of equipments. And it is affected by adjustment number 4. Affected by adjustment number 4. So first, guys, adjustment number 4 is on payment side also. Adjustment number 4 is on receipt side also. And you can also here, you can refer adjustment number 4. You are given 800 opening balance and 1750 closing balance. Right? And then if you recall our balance sheet, okay, what we have learned, if you recall our balance sheet. So let's switch over to our balance sheet format, guys. Okay. If you recall, guys, equipments, what we have learned, opening balance plus purchase minus sale minus depreciation equal to closing, which will be in the outer column. This is what we have discussed in previous two questions also. Recall this, guys. Okay. Okay. Now see the question. Tell me how much opening balance you are given and how much closing balance you are given. Be fast, guys. How much opening balance you are given? How much closing balance you are given? Yes, guys. How much opening balance are given? How much closing balance are given? Yes, guys. 800 and 1750. 800 and 1750. Okay. Let's put over here, guys. Let's understand how it goes. Okay. Now tell me how much purchase of an equipment and how much sale of an equipment. How much purchase of an equipment and how much sale of an equipment. Yes, guys. As we discussed, purchase will be on payment side, sale will be on receipt side. Purchase will be on payment side, sale will be on receipt side. We have also marked by 4. If you see the last session, we have marked by 4. Here, guys, see. Sale of equipment 80 and moving machine 1500, right? So this 1500 is purchase and this 80 is sales. Yes, 1500 is purchase and 80 is sale. Important point. This is important point, friend. 1500 and 80. Now friend, closing balance is 1750. 1750. Then tell me what is the depreciation? Balancing figure is a depreciation. Balancing figure is a depreciation. So what will be the balancing figure? Here, this is balancing figure. What will be the balancing figure? Yes, friends. How much depre will be balancing figure? Tell me, guys. The 1750 is the closing balance. Then what will be the balancing figure? Simple. It is 470. It is 470. It is 470. Forget to write depreciation 470. Don't forget to write depreciation 470. Clear, guys? It's important point of the. Okay. Now, net proceeds of variety of entertainment 780 and donation of forthcoming tournament. Both are our income. Both are our income. Okay. 780. 780. This is part of INE, right? This is part of INE. Now this donation is for the balance sheet. Clear, guys? Entertainment receipts are revenue receipts. So it is part of INE. But donation for tournament is a specific purpose. So it is part of balance sheet. It is part of balance sheet. Okay, guys? So by entertainment proceeds 780, it is part of INE, friends. Simple. for tournament is a specific donation. It will be on liability side. Tournament, specific purpose, it should be on liability side. Then guys, clear? दीपक भाई, इट विल बी यूज फॉर एंटरटेनमेंट. तो जब वो कोई मूवी रखेंगे या तो कोई ऐसी दिवाली की इवेंट करेंगे, म्यूजिक की इवेंट करेंगे, उसके लिए यूज करेंगे फ्यूचर में. और ये जो नेट प्रोसीड्स आपको दिया हुआ है वो तो उन्होंने कमा लिया है. 1000 दे हैव अर्न बाय बाय सम एंटरटेनमेंट इवेंट्स. ओके, जो किसी भी क्लब के लिए रूटीन होता है. कोई भी क्लब होता है वहां पर ये एंटरटेनमेंट इवेंट्स चलती रहती है, राइट? तो इट इज देयर रूटीन एक्टिविटी. ध्रुव लिख के बताओ. ओके ध्रुव, post your query, right? So donation for specific purpose is a liability. No, no, right. एग्जाम में तो हो जाएगा 30-35 मिनट्स में. ओके, so receipt side is over. Now switch over to the payment side. Switch over to the payment side. So on payment side, cost है और लास्ट वाले closing Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay. I think now it is clear. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. So on payment side, there was a first adjustment of groundman's fees. On payment side, the first adjustment is of groundman fees, which is given 750. Okay, 750. And if you see the adjustment number 6, bonus to groundman, it is 300. You can club both the things because both is payment to the groundman. Okay, guys. So simply what you can do, guys, simply what you can do, to groundman fees, that is given you 300, and plus outstanding, plus outstanding bonus. You can club both the things. You can simply club both the things. Okay, guys. Yes. So 300 plus 600. Correct. Yes. You are right, guys. Right? Here it should be outstanding bonus. Here it should be outstanding bonus. Here it is outstanding bonus, which is your liability, which is your liability. Liability should be clear cut mentioned, friends. Groundman fee and bonus you can club. You can club. Yes, I got it. Got it. 750 plus 300, 1050. And don't forget, here it is liability. Here it is liability. 1050 and it is liability. Both are same. Bonus and ground fee you can combine. It's simple. It's simple. Moving machine we have done. moving machine we have already done. Rent of ground, it's a simple expenses. Ground rent, it's a simple expenses with no adjustment. Rent of ground, no adjustment, 250. Rent of ground, no adjustment, it's a no adjustment. Rent of ground, no adjustment, 250. It is 250. Rent ground, no adjustment, it is 250. Cost of teas we have taken, fare we have taken, printing is pending. Okay, repairs we have done here. See, repairs we have done here. Repairs we have done here. Printing is pending. Printing is pending. Now, how much printing given in payment side? Printing is given 280. Printing is given 280. What are the adjustments in printing? So, outstanding of current year and outstanding of previous year. Simple. Outstanding of current year and outstanding of previous year. Outstanding of current year and outstanding of previous year. What is outstanding of current year? It is given 80. And previous year is given 100. 280 plus 80 minus 100. 280 plus 80 minus 100. That is 260. 280 plus 80 minus 100, that is 260. And don't forget to write this 100 in balance sheet liability side. Don't forget to write this 80 in balance sheet liability side. In balance sheet liability side. So printing outstanding of current year and outstanding of previous year. So outer column 260, and don't forget to write 80 in a current year balance sheet. In a current year balance sheet. In a current year balance sheet. अब बोनस चेंज कर दिया मैंने. बोनस मैंने चेंज कर दिया. डोंट वरी. कर दिया बोनस चेंज. हाँ, now it is fine. I understand. Done, guys? Okay. And after printing, repair, we have completed. And now the last and most important point remains is a honorarium, that is salary. Let's read it very carefully. Now friend, on payment side it is said that honorarium to secretary of 2019, क्या लिखा हुआ है? Of 2019 is 400. So ये जो पेमेंट हुआ है फ्रेंड, ये पेमेंट पिछले साल का पेमेंट हुआ है 400. And if you refer our last session answer of opening balance sheet, we have taken 400 in last year balance sheet as outstanding. You can refer our last year balance sheet which we discussed in last session. We have taken this 400 in a last year balance sheet as outstanding. Yes guys. ओके, हमने ये किया था. डन गाइस, राइट? अब ये क्या बोल रहे हैं एडजस्टमेंट में. सो गाइस रिमेंबर केयरफुली, दिस 400 which is given in RNP is of previous year. 400 which is given in RNP, it is of previous year. It is of previous year. So we have shown this in a previous year balance sheet as outstanding. We have shown this in a previous balance sheet as outstanding 400. So this 400 will not be part of INE because this is not an expense of INE. It is not an expense of current year. So this 400 will not be part of INE because it is of the outstanding of last year. पहले ये क्लियर हुआ तो आगे बढ़े. पहले ये मुद्दा क्लियर हुआ तो आगे बढ़े. So this 400 will not part of INE because this is paid previous or outstanding. Right guys? ये 400 को मैं INE में नहीं लिखूंगा बिकॉज ये पिछले साल का आउटस्टैंडिंग पे किया है. देयरफॉर वो पिछले साल की बैलेंस शीट में आएगा, इस ईयर के INE में नहीं आएगा. पहले ये मुद्दा क्लियर है गाइस? तो फिर मैं एडजस्टमेंट पढ़ू. जल्दी बोलो गाइस, जल्दी, बी फास्ट, वी डोंट हैव टाइम, जल्दी. दिस सेंटेंस इज क्लियर? यस. ओके, so this 400 it is of last year. Now in INE we need to write current year honorarium. In INE we need to write current year honorarium. Now tell me guys, what exactly you are instructed in the adjustment. Read the adjustment and tell me what it is exactly said. What it is exactly said in your adjustment. Sir, it is said that for the year ended 31st March 20, means of current year, the honoraria to the secretary and treasurer are to be increased by total 200. Increased by 200. Increased by 200. So tell me what is the current year honoraria will be. Tell me what will be the current year honorarium will be. Yes, compared to previous year, it should be increased by 200. Compared to previous year, it should be increased by 200. Then tell me what will be the current year honoraria. It should be increased by, increased to nahi, increased by likha, increased by. Tell me how much it will be. How much it will be. Tell me guys, how much it will be. It should be increased by, not increased to, increased by. Yes guys, you are clear. It should be 600. Current year, it should be 600. Yes guys, it should be 600. It should be 600. Now it is in adjustment. It is in adjustment. It is in adjustment. Matlab it is outstanding. 600 salary is outstanding. पे करने का बाकी है because it is in adjustment. It is in adjustment. So what we are supposed to do now, friend? मेरे पास यहां जगह नहीं, मैं ऊपर लिख रहा हूं. Okay, I'm just writing here. It's a small thing. Honorarium to treasurer or secretary. The direct expenses should be how much, guys? 600. 400 था, उसकी जगह अब कितना देना है? 600. Simple. In INE, you should debit 600. In INE, you should debit 600. Simple. You should debit 600. Simple. In INE, you should debit 600. Only 600. It is of current year. It is of current year. And in balance sheet, it will be on liability side. In balance sheet, it should be on liability side. It should be on liability side. It should be on liability side. 600 should be on liability side. And in INE, only 600. INE, it will be as expenses 600. Now, friend, see, Honoraria, simply debit 600. Now, if you want to make it complex, see, this is the easiest way to understand. Honoraria should be 600. It should be 600. Simple. Okay. Now, see, if somebody says, sir, why I should not debit 400 in INE? Dear, it is not required because it is of the last year. We need to write only expense of the current year. We need to write only expense of the current year. So write in your notes very clearly 400, which is in RNP. It is of previous year, not part of INE. Okay, so write clear cut here. It is of current year. It is of current year. It is of current year. Clear, guys? Please write carefully. It is of current year. Okay, and all the closing balance we have already concluded. Deposit account, current account, and cash in hand we have already done. If you see the balance sheet, we have already done cash, deposit, and current. Some student was asking me, sir, what about the repairing? My dear friends, repairing we have done in last session. Repairing we have done in last session. Someone was asking, what is about fair and tea? Fair and tea also we have done in last session. Fair and tea also we have done in last session. For them only I am just showing. Okay, see, this is fair. This is fair, which is we have done in last session. It is income minus expenses. Same, this is T. T also we have done in last session. And repairing, the same story. This is repairing. We have done in last session. Repairing, opening, repairing expenses plus outing of current year minus outing of previous year. So repairing we have done in last session. Repairing, fair and teas we have done in last session. Okay. So I hope there was a question from one or two students. Sir, what about the T? What about the fair? T and fair आपको दोनों बाजू दी है. Net off करके लिख देना है. And repairing same story. Outgoing of current year plus and outgoing of previous year minus. Nothing else. Yes, important है तभी तो करवाया मैंने. तभी तो करवाया ना. Important नहीं है तो क्यों करवाता हूँ. Okay, friend. So this is all done. And now simply this will be your surplus, and this surplus will be added into the capital fund. This surplus will be added to the capital fund. Over and out. यस यस अनिकेत, आंसर सेम ही आएगा. हमने नेट ऑफ करके लिखा है, आंसर सेम ही आएगा. हिमांशु अब पता चल गया ना. अब इसका एडवांटेज लो. ठीक है. आई थिंक तानिया ने पूछा था. तानिया, इट इज क्लियर नाउ. T is and fair clear. Or somebody asked me about the repairing also. I don't know who has asked about repairing also. अंकित, अभी आपका ये क्लियर हो गया पॉइंट 400 200 600 वाला? ध्रुव, क्लियर हो गया? तानिया, क्लियर हो गया? यस भाई दी, आप वर्किंग नोट लिखोगे तो मार्क मिलेंगे। आप चाहे तो आईडी के अंदर प्लस माइनस करो, और यू कैन डू सेपरेट वर्किंग नोट, बोथ आर ओके। मोहम्मद, रेंट वी हैव एडजस्टेड इन बैंक बैलेंस, वो हमने बीआरएस में एडजस्ट किया हुआ है। रेंट जो है वो बैलेंस शीट में अलग से नहीं लिखा है, वी हैव एडजस्टेड इन क्लोजिंग बैलेंस ऑफ बैंक, इसलिए वो अलग से नहीं दिखाया। आप मेरा पिछला सेशन देख लोगे, पता चल जाएगा। तो आई होप नाउ इट इज क्लियर मोहम्मद। अंकित, आई होप नाउ रिपेयरिंग इज क्लियर। रिपेयरिंग आईडी में रूटीन आउटसाइडिंग ऑफ करंट प्लस एंड आउटसाइडिंग ऑफ प्रीवियस माइनस वही दिखाया हुआ है जो हमने सीखा हुआ है। करंट का आउटसाइडिंग प्लस, प्रीवियस का माइनस। और बैलेंस शीट में वो अलग से नहीं दिखाया, बिकॉज बैलेंस शीट में वो बैंक बैलेंस में एडजस्ट कर दिया। सो जितने नाम बोले, जहां तक मुझे याद था मैंने देख लिया ऊपर चैट। अभी आई थिंक इट शुड बी क्लियर। यस अमित, इट इज अ परचेज ऑफ इक्विपमेंट। ओके अंकित, ओके ध्रुव। नहीं नहीं नहीं, पृथा, जो लिखा है ट्रायल बैलेंस में आरएनपी में वो तो आपको लिखना पड़ेगा। अगर वो 1000 में है तो 1000 में लिखो, फुल अमाउंट है तो फुल अमाउंट में लिखो। ठीक है, ऐसा करना पड़ेगा। आप अपने हिसाब से जीरो से उड़ा नहीं सकते हो। वैष्णवी, कौन सा रेंट बता रहे हो डियर आप? विच रेंट? कौन सा रेंट डियर? रेंट तो एक ही है, वो तो आईने में दिखाना है 250। रेंट, आप रेंट बैलेंस शीट में क्यों आएगा? रिपेयरिंग आपको बैंक बैलेंस में ऐड करना है, मतलब यहां से माइनस करना है, बिकॉज ये चेक अनप्रेजेंटेड है। तो रिपेयरिंग आपको बैलेंस शीट में अलग नहीं दिखाना है। रिपेयरिंग को बैंक बैलेंस में करंट अकाउंट में माइनस करना है, जैसे मैंने माइनस किया है वैसे। अलग नहीं दिखा सकते। निकिता, आप क्वेरी फिर से लिखो, बहुत ऊपर होगी तो नहीं पता मुझे। यस ध्रुव, इट इज माई लास्ट सेशन। नहीं नहीं मोहिल कुमार, वर्किंग नोट्स लिखने। यस खुशी, मोरलेस ऐसे ही आएंगे। नहीं प्राजक्ता, आपको फुल अमाउंट लिखनी है, जैसा क्वेश्चन में लिखा है वैसा लिखना है। ओके गाइस, लेट्स मूव टू दी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। 8 इज ओवर। 9 हमने कर दिया था लास्ट सेशन में गाइस। 9 वी हैव डन इन लास्ट सेशन। एंड नाउ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन 10 एंड 11। दोनों करवाऊंगा, जिस तरीके से टाइम रहेगा, डोंट वरी। जिस तरीके से टाइम रहेगा दोनों करवाऊंगा। सो शुरुआत करेंगे 10 से। गाइस थोड़ा सा स्पीड अप रखोगे तो दोनों हो जाएंगे। सूरज, वो मैंने लास्ट सेशन में कर दिया डियर। लास्ट सेशन में मैंने बहुत बहुत शांति से ये समझाया था। आई टुक इमेंस टाइम टू एक्सप्लेन। ओके, आप प्लीज लास्ट सेशन एक बार देख लीजिए वीडियो यूट्यूब पर। मैंने बहुत शांति से करवाया, सुकून से करवाया था ये एडजस्टमेंट पासबुक वाला। डियर माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट, आप एक बार लास्ट सेशन का यूट्यूब देख लो। बहुत शांति से करवाया था ये मैंने। ठीक है, बहुत टाइम लिया था मैंने ये समझाने में। Okay, 10. नाउ गाइस 10 11 दोनों डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन है, डिफिकल्ट नंबर नहीं लेकिन थोड़े से हटके क्वेश्चन, ठीक है। तो सी द what is asked, now see the question very carefully. The first thing guys, very important, you are given INE of 20, you are given INE of 20, okay, you are given INE of 20. Now these are the adjustments, these are the also adjustments. And now what is asked, prepare RNP, prepare RNP and balance sheet. Yes guys, prepare RNP and balance sheet. So this is different type of question. You can understand this. Now friend, till this point, we are given RNP and we are supposed to prepare INE and balance sheet. Now reverse. We are given INE and we need to prepare RNP. Understood the question guys first? Right guys? Okay, now friend, let's first numbering the adjustments. हमारी प्रोसेस सेम रखेंगे, हम कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट नहीं करेंगे. This all are adjustment number 1 which is applicable to subscription, right? Please do the numbering well guys. Now the second is about the salary. Second is about the salary. The third is about the general expenses. Third about the general expenses. Fourth about the audit fees. Fourth about the audit fees. Right? Now next about the ground. Okay. So ground is your asset. यहाँ कुछ ground लिखा नहीं है. It's okay. Equipment. The club has a sports equipment, right? Sports equipments. Here, it's a depreciation. Okay. And what is said in a next point? The opening balance is 2600 and the closing balance is 2700. So, sports equipment is, let's make adjustment number 5. Remember guys, this is depreciation. In the depreciation is only one of the equipments. We are making it as a depreciation of equipment number 5. Number 5. And last is about the bank loan. It is part of balance sheet. We will write it. And last is cash in hand. It is also part of balance sheet. So In your INE, in your INE, there is no cash balance because it is your प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. यहां पर लोन भी नहीं है, यहां पर लोन का इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं है, यहां कैश बैलेंस होता भी नहीं. नंबरिंग इज क्लियर गाइस? नंबरिंग इज क्लियर? Numbering is clear, guys? Fine. Now, let's do very properly formats. Let's prepare format from here only. Okay. First, we need to prepare RNP. Please draw the format, guys. If you just if you just take the screenshot, कुछ समझ में नहीं आएगा, कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आएगा. After RNP, balance sheet. In exam also, please make 2 columns. In exam also, you need to make a separate 2 columns. Format is done, guys. Now, friend, just a minute before starting, we need to prepare balance sheet. And as you know, sir, for balance sheet, we need capital fund, opening balance. We need capital fund, opening balance. And we have read the question entire. You are not given opening balance of capital fund. And if opening balance of capital fund is not given, then we need to prepare opening balance sheet also. Okay, guys? Here you can prepare only 4 simple column because no adjustment will be there. This is the purpose for which we need to find out opening balance sheet. Now, friend, now whatever various balances are given of opening, we need to write, right? So जैसा आगे भी सिखाया था, we need to write all the opening balances in the opening balance sheet. In the opening balance sheet. Break I will give after preparing this opening balance sheet, guys. Okay, it will not take more than 3 to 5 minutes. So first, switch over to the first we will need to start with the adjustment of subscription. Now, guys, subscription, you are given adjustment of opening and closing. Opening and closing. So tell me how much subscription outstanding, how much subscription outstanding and advance here. What we are supposed to understand of 19, right? Of 19. So tell me where we will put 600 and where we will put 450 in last year balance sheet. Where we will put 600 and where we will put 450. Tell me, guys, be fast. Where we will put 600 and where we will put 450. Yes, sir. Sir, outstanding is my asset and advance is my liability. Yes. Perfect. So put 600 on asset side. So put 600 on asset side and 450 on liability side. Outstanding subscription 600, subscription advance 450. Simple. It's simple. Okay, let's go to the next point regarding the salary. Now, guys, salary, there are two outstanding, 400 and 450. Tell how much salary outstanding of previous year. How much salary outstanding of previous year? How much salary is outstanding of previous year? Yes, sentence very much clear. Salary outstanding of previous year is 400. It is sentence said beginning and end. Beginning and end. Perfect, guys. You are perfect. Varun, it is 450 is of current year and 400 is of previous year. Clear? Okay. Next one, guys. Uh, General expenses, it is of current or prepaid. We will write in current or balance sheet. Audit fee for 20 is yet unpaid. It is also of current year. During 2020, audit fee of 19 was paid 200. So tell me how much audit fee of last year is outstanding. Tell me, guys. Read the audit sentence fee very carefully and tell me how much audit fee of last year is outstanding. How much audit fee of last year is outstanding? Audit fee of 2020 is unpaid. But during 2020, last year 200 is paid. It is very much clear. So tell me, guys, what is the outstanding of last year? Audit fee outstanding of last year. It is very easily to say. It is 200, guys. It is 200. Simple. Very simple. It is 200. Perfect. Perfect, guys. Clear. You are very much clear. Okay. Next sentence. The club own a free leasehold ground of rupees 10,000. Now, guys, this is a ground. This is an asset. And if nothing specified, okay, if nothing specified, it will be of both the balance sheet. I am repeating. If nothing specified, it should be of both the balance sheet. So 10,000 ground. Ground is an asset. 10,000 ground is a part of both the balance sheet. Is a part of both the balance sheet. Clear, guys? Right very clearly, guys? Ground is your land, you can say. So it should be part of previous year as well as it should be part of current year. Please read it carefully. Previous year as well as current year. This ground is a land. Is the ground is a land. It should be our asset. But smart way, it should be our and it is 2,700. So we can say 2,600 is a opening balance. Simple, guys, very simple. 2,600 is the opening balance. Okay, next one. In 2019, matlab last year, in 2019, the club has raised a bank loan of 2,000. So last year they have taken loan of 2,000. Last year they have taken loan of 2,000. Last year they have taken loan of 2,000. This was outstanding throughout 2020. It is outstanding throughout 2020. What does it mean, friend? What does it mean? Sir, it means this loan is outstanding for both the year. Clear, guys? Loan is taken in 2019. Loan is taken 2000 in 2019 last year but it is outstanding throughout the year 2020. So same loan we need to show in current year balance sheet also. Same loan we should show in current year balance sheet also. So this will part of both the balance sheet. It will part of both the balance sheet. Yes, guys. It should be part of both the balance sheet. Current year as well as previous year. Current year as well as previous year. And the last point is on 31st December 2020, cash in hand is 1600. It is 1600. It is your closing, right? Closing cash balance. And don't forget to write this closing balance in RNP account also. Don't forget to write this closing balance in RNP account also, friend. Please remember carefully. It should be 1600. Okay. It should be amount is 1600. It should be here also, right? And the moment you got closing balance of RNP here, the moment you got the closing balance of RNP here, it means RNP opening balance will be the balancing figure because we need to prepare the RNP. So opening balance we will find out as a balancing figure from RNP. Opening balance because we are given the closing balance, right? So opening balance we need to find as a balancing figure. As a balancing figure. And now, if everything is over regarding the opening balance sheet, right? If everything is over regarding the opening balance sheet, we can find out the balancing figure. Now, friend, here, important point before concluding the same. See, all we have written, here all we have written, one thing is pending, which makes some very interesting. You are given closing balance of cash. You are given closing balance of cash, but you are not given opening balance of cash, which we need to find out, from the RNP. So when we will prepare RNP, remember carefully, when we will prepare RNP, we will get the opening balance of cash. We will get the opening balance of cash. That opening balance of cash, we need to write here. And then we will get the CF opening balance. And this CF opening balance transfer to the balance sheet. Okay. So the sequence of sum should be very much clear before starting the adjustments. Sir, RNP बनाएंगे. RNP में ओपनिंग बैलेंस ढूंढेंगे. ओपनिंग बैलेंस जाएगा ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट में, तो ओपनिंग सीएफ मिलेगा, वो जाएगा इधर मेरे बैलेंस शीट, हियर, यहां पर, जो भी मेरे पास नहीं है, जो भी मेरे पास नहीं है. So what will be sequence? First, we will close RNP after all adjustment. We will get RNP opening balance. This will given to the balance sheet opening, and then we will find out CF. We will do this step by step after all adjustments. After all adjustments. After all adjustments. So this much we have completed. Okay. And guys, this is not an easy question. So take only break of 5 minutes. Okay, just 5 minutes, because we need to do the all the adjustment, balance sheet, and R&D. It's a lengthy process. It's a lengthy process. Okay. So after this, we are going to conclude the adjustments. Just a break of 5 minutes. Welcome back, friend. Okay, can we start, guys? चंचल, उसमें आएगा प्लांट एंड मशीनरी एंड फैक्ट्री बिल्डिंग. ओके, can we start, guys? Important points. Now let's start with income. 7500 subscription, and there are all four adjustments. All four adjustments. Okay. Now, friend, see very carefully what I'm saying. Please see very carefully, guys. I'm repeating. Please see very carefully what we are doing. Please see very carefully what we are doing. Now, friend, in our routine, in our routine INE, what we were doing, the same story I am repeating. Please see very carefully. What is our routine rule? Sir, routine rule is subscription received plus outstanding of current year minus outstanding of previous year minus advance of current year plus advance of previous year इक्वल टू क्या मिलता है? सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑफ INE. Subscription of INE. This is what we have done in the previous 3 question. पहले इतना क्लियर है कि सर जो अमाउंट दिया होता है ट्रायल बैलेंस में, यहां उसका नाम है RNP. सर RNP की जो अमाउंट होती है उसमें मैक्सिमम 4 एडजस्टमेंट आते हैं. आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑफ करंट ईयर प्लस आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर माइनस एडवांस ऑफ करंट ईयर माइनस एंड एडवांस ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर प्लस, और उसके बाद जो अमाउंट आएगा वो हम आईने में लिखते हैं. यहां तक क्लियर है फ्रेंड? ये ऐसा हमने आगे वाले हर एक क्वेश्चन में किया. either it is subscription or a salary or anything, this four are common adjustment. ये जो लिखा है स्क्रीन पे वो अकाउंट का बिल्कुल नॉर्मल रूल है. दैट इज सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव्ड प्लस करंट ईयर माइनस प्रीवियस ईयर माइनस करंट ईयर प्लस प्रीवियस ईयर इक्वल टू आई फिगर आती है. ये अकाउंट का बहुत रूटीन अक्रूवल सिस्टम का रूल है. पहले ये जो बोर्ड पे लिखा है, स्क्रीन पे लिखा है, वो क्लियर है फ्रेंड? तो मैं आगे बढ़ू. यस, ऐसा हमारा स्टैंडर्ड रूल है कि सर ट्रायल बैलेंस की अमाउंट प्लस आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑफ करंट ईयर माइनस आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर माइनस एडवांस ऑफ करंट ईयर प्लस एडवांस ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर इक्वल टू PL की अमाउंट. यहां ट्रायल बैलेंस की जगह हम RNP की अमाउंट लिखते हैं और PL की जगह INE लिखते हैं. इतना तो हमने आगे भी सब में बहुत सीखा है, चाहे वो सैलरी हो, सब्सक्रिप्शन हो, रेंट हो, सब कुछ सीखा है, रिपेयरिंग हो, आगे भी सीखा था. ये जो लिखा है स्क्रीन पे वो क्लियर समझ में आ रहा है? तो मैं आगे बढ़ू, बिकॉज पूरे क्वेश्चन का ये हार्ट है. अगर एक बार ये समझ में आ गया तो बाकी के सारे एडजस्टमेंट इजी है. ये जो लिखा है वो क्लियर है फ्रेंड? राइट नाउ see very carefully, remember very carefully, now remember very carefully, now remember very carefully, guys, very carefully, guys. It's very interesting point. Now see very carefully, very carefully. This is what INE, and how much amount is given in INE? 7500, right? So You are given amount of INE 7500. See guys, see. आईएनई की अमाउंट दे दी है, आईएनई की अमाउंट दे दी है फ्रेंड, आईएनई की अमाउंट दे दी है 7500, आईएनई की अमाउंट दे दी है गाइस, आईएनई की अमाउंट दे दी है मुझे 7500. क्लियर फ्रेंड, क्लियर फ्रेंड. एंड नाउ दिस 4 आई विल डू प्लस माइनस. ओके, दिस 4 let's do step by step. Here, now let's do step by step. First of all, what is the outstanding of current year? What is the outstanding of current year? That is 750 guys. Outstanding of current year is 750. What is the outstanding of previous year? That is 600. What is advance of current year? What is advance of current year? Advance of current year, it is 270. And what is advance of previous year? Advance of last year, 450. 450. So guys, you can say this is X. This is X. We need to find out. X plus 750 minus 600 minus 270 plus 450 equals to 7500. Can you find out the final amount of X, guys? Can you find out the final amount of X? Yes, because we are preparing RNP account. Yes. Can you find out this, guys, very easily? Tell me, guys. Yes, guys. How much it is? Yes, it is 7170. 7170. Which will be in RNP, which will be in RNP, which will be in RNP. Yes, guys. Outer column. Yes. सो गाइस, अब तक आरएनपी की अमाउंट से हम आईएनई ढूंढते थे. अब आईएनई की अमाउंट दे दी और आरएनपी ढूंढना है. फिर से एक बार, अब तक आरएनपी की अमाउंट से हम आईएनई की अमाउंट ढूंढते थे. अभी आईएनई की अमाउंट दे दी और आरएनपी की अमाउंट ढूंढ रहे हैं, बिकॉज यहां मुझे आरएनपी बनाना है, आईएनई दे दिया है. आगे वाले सब क्वेश्चन में आरएनपी देते थे, रिसिप्ट पेमेंट देते थे और आईएनई बनाना था. यहाँ आईएनई दे दिया है और आरएनपी बनाना है, तो हम मुद्दा सेम रखेंगे, कंसेप्ट सेम रखेंगे, प्लस माइनस सेम रखेंगे, रूल सेम रखेंगे. लेकिन सर पहले आरएनपी के ऊपर से आईएनई ढूंढते थे, अब आईएनई दे दिया, आईएनई दे दिया और हम आरएनपी ढूंढते हैं. आईएनई के अमाउंट दे दिए और हम आरएनपी ढूंढते हैं. लॉजिक प्लस माइनस कंसेप्ट रिमेन्स सेम. क्लियर फ्रेंड? पूरे सम में ऐसा करूंगा मैं, पूरे सम में ऐसा करूंगा. आईएनई दे दिया है, आरएनपी ढूंढना है, आईएनई दे दिया है, आरएनपी ढूंढना है. यस गाइस? हाँ कर सकते हो निकेत, कर सकते हो, डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. ओके, लेट्स गो टू नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. एंट्रेंस फी 250. Entrance fee 250, no adjustments. It is our receipt, right? It is our receipt. And don't forget to write current year 750 and 270 of subscription in current year balance sheet also. In current year balance sheet also. Tell me 750 कहाँ रखेंगे और 270 कहाँ रखेंगे? एक आउटस्टैंडिंग है और एक एडवांस है. 750 को कहाँ रखेंगे और 270 को कहाँ रखेंगे? सर, outstanding subscription is our asset. It is 750, right? And advance subscription is our liability. Is our liability. Done, guys? Entrance fee also done. Subscription also done. Next to the point. Contribution for annual dinner, it is our income. Annual sport meet, it is our also income. So it is our receipts also. It is our receipt also, right? And if you say you are also given expenses, right? Here you are also given expenses. So simply one will be our receipt and one will be our payment. No complication at all. So 1,750 you can simply put on the receipt side. 1,000 and 750 simply you can put on receipt side. Simple. Dinner and sports. Okay. Next one. After this, your income side is over. Let's give on the next expenditure side. The first is salary 4750. Salary 4750. Adjustment number 2. So there is outgoing of current year and outgoing of previous year. Right? So this is outstanding of previous year and this is outstanding of current year. Okay. Right, guys? So our formula will remain same. Our formula will remain same. Salary paid plus outstanding of current year minus outstanding of previous year. एकदम ध्यान देना गाइस, एकदम ध्यान से. बाय सैलरी पेड जो ढूंढना है प्लस आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑफ करंट ईयर माइनस आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर इक्वल टू salary of IED, which is given 4750. Yes. which is given 4750. Okay. And what is the outstanding salary of current year and previous year? Right. So 450 is a current year and 400 is a previous year. So tell me guys, once again, what will be the outer column? X की amount कितनी आएगी? The same what we did in subscription. X की amount कितनी आएगी? Salary outer column कितना आएगा? Yes, it should be 4700. 4700. Perfect, friend. Perfect. Like this. 4700. डियर, हमने एंट्रेंस भी आईने में दिखाया, तो बैलेंस शीट में नहीं आता, राइट? बिकॉज इट इज अ रेवेन्यू इनकम. आईनी में है तो बैलेंस शीट में नहीं आता. ओके. somebody asked Ankit, if it is revenue income then INE, if it is capital income then balance sheet. If it is given in INE, it means it is not part of balance sheet. ओके. हाँ, अब सही है. ऐसा आप लिख देना, अदरवाइज क्या होगा कि याद नहीं रहेगा. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज जनरल एक्सपेंसेस 500. एडजस्टमेंट नंबर 3. जनरल एक्सपेंसेस इंक्लूड इंश्योरेंस प्रीपेड. इट इज insurance prepaid of 60, right? Right guys, insurance prepaid of 60. It is prepaid of current year. It is prepaid of current year. Now what will be our adjustment? Okay, it is right, it is prepaid of current year. So general expenses X, whatever rule, advance of current year minus advance of previous year plus equal to amount of INE. So what is amount of INE is given 500. This is 60 is of current year. Previous year amount is not given because only one adjustment is there. Only one adjustment is there. Yes, guys. What will be amount of X? What will be amount of X? What will be amount of X? It should be 506, 560. It should be 560. Yes. It should be 560. So 560 will be in an outer column. 560 will be in a outer column. 560 will be in a outer column. Clear, guys? Can we go to the next point? नाउ फ्रेंड, अगर यहां तक कहानी क्लियर है, अगर यहां तक कहानी क्लियर है, तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू राइट अब रूटीन पॉइंट 450 in balance sheet because it is outstanding of current year, right? Okay. Outstanding salary, outstanding salary, and this is prepaid. If it will be on asset side. Prepaid insurance, it is 60 and 415 balance sheet. साथ में बैलेंस शीट में लिखते जाएंगे बेटर 60 असेट साइड 450 लाइब्रेरी साइड, जो आगे आपने आरएनपी में लिखा है सेव. So this 60 is asset, this 450 is liability. अनिकेत, आपको रिवर्स कैलकुलेशन करना है बेटा, जैसा आपने किया सब्सक्रिप्शन में ऐसा रिवर्स कैलकुलेशन करना है. थोड़ा सा सोच के तो बोलो. 470 दे दिया है और एक्स ढूंढना है, तो क्या करोगे यार? 4750 प्लस 400 माइनस 450 करना पड़ेगा ना यार, तो ये एक्स मिलेगा. आपको रिवर्स कैलकुलेशन करना है डियर, जैसे यहां किया था सब्सक्रिप्शन में. 4740 प्लस 400 माइनस 450 इक्वल टू एक्स. एक्स ढूंढना है. ये तो स्कूल लेवल का मैथ्स हुआ यार, स्कूल लेवल 8-9 का. x प्लस 450 माइनस 400 इक्वल टू 4750. व्हाट विल बी अमाउंट ऑफ x? दिस इज स्कूल लेवल मैथमेटिक्स. ओके, x की वैल्यू ढूंढनी है. समझ में आया अभी? ऐसा मत करो यार. ओके फाइन, लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. Audit fee 250. Audit fee 250, which is in INE. Okay. Now, what is the adjustment? Adjustment says that audit fee for 2020 is yet unpaid. So, इस साल का audit fee pay करना बाकी है. During 2020, audit fee of 19 was paid 200. So, पिछले साल का 200 इस साल पे किया, और इस साल का सी, रिमेंबर केयरफुली गाइड, दिस इज आईनी, दिस इज आईनी, एंड देयरफॉर दिस ऑडिट फी इज ऑलवेज ऑफ करंट ईयर. पहले ये समझ लो, दिस इज आईनी, देयरफॉर दिस ऑडिट फी इज ऑलवेज ऑफ करंट ईयर. सो राइट इट वेरी क्लियरली. लास्ट ईयर ऑडिट फी वॉज 200 विच इज पेड इन करंट ईयर, एंड इस साल का ऑडिट फी हम पे करेंगे नेक्स्ट ईयर में. ओके, सो नाउ टेल मी गाइस, वी हैव थ्री थिंग्स. वी हैव थ्री थिंग्स. वी हैव आरएनपी, वी हैव लास्ट ईयर बैलेंस शीट, वी हैव करंट ईयर बैलेंस शीट. वी हैव आरएनपी, वी हैव लास्ट ईयर बैलेंस शीट, एंड वी हैव करंट ईयर बैलेंस शीट. ओके, इन लास्ट ईयर बैलेंस शीट वी हैव रिटन आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर 200 लिख दिया मैं. देखो ये रहा, पिछले साल का आउटस्टैंडिंग 200 इस साल पे करेंगे, और इस साल का 250 नेक्स्ट में पे करेंगे. तो पिछले साल के बैलेंस शीट में लिखा हमने 200 बिकॉज प्रीवियस आउटस्टैंडिंग. अब मुझे जल्दी जल्दी बताओ, जस्ट 10 सेकंड ओनली, करेंटर की बैलेंस शीट में कितना लिखेंगे आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑडिट फी? पहले करेंटर की बैलेंस शीट में आउटस्टैंडिंग फी कितना लिखेंगे? जल्दी बताओ गाइस, जल्दी, बी फास्ट, बी फास्ट। यस सूरज, प्लस को माइनस और माइनस को प्लस समझना है। दैट इज करेक्ट। जल्दी गाइस, जल्दी, कितना लिखेंगे? क्या बात है, क्या बात है, क्या बात है, मजा आया, मजा आया, मजा आया। इस साल का 250 है सर, इस साल का 250 देने का बाकी है, इस साल का 250 देने का बाकी है सर, बराबर है सर। तो आप बताओ कि पेमेंट, मैंने पेमेंट कितना किया ऑडिट फी का? कितना लिखेंगे पेमेंट साइड? इस साल पेमेंट कितने रुपीस का किया मैंने? आरएनपी में कितना लिखेंगे पेमेंट साइड? हाउ मच ऑडिट फी आई हैव एक्चुअली पेड, टेल मी गाइस। वो भी एकदम सिंपल है। यहां कितना लिखेंगे? सीधा आउटर कॉलम में कितना ऑडिट फी पे किया मैंने? कितना ऑडिट फी पे किया सर? आपने पे किया 200, आपने पे किया 200। 200 कौन सा है? पिछले साल का आउटस्टैंडिंग। यस, 200 कौन सा है? पिछले साल का आउटस्टैंडिंग, पिछले साल का आउटस्टैंडिंग, पिछले साल का आउटस्टैंडिंग। यस, आउटस्टैंडिंग ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर। क्लियर गाइस? क्लियर? इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट क्लियर? पिछले साल का आउटस्टैंडिंग। यस। So 200 is in RNP. 200 is in RNP. Okay. Let's move to the next point. Now, 1000, 450, 1500 and 150. This 4 has no adjustment. Has no adjustment. 1000, 450, 1500 and 150. No adjustment. You can directly return in the INE, RNP payment side. No adjustment, guys. Simple. It's a no adjustment. All simple. 1000, 450, 1500 and 150. No adjustment. Directly on payment side. Simple guys. Clear? Directly on payment side. आगे आप बाय में जो लिखना है लिख दो, जो लिखा है. No adjustments. Swati, in currenter we have to show the expenses either it is paid or not paid. In currenter we have to show the expenses either it is paid or not paid. Clear? Clear guys? Swati? Accrual concept. Swati, it is clear? Even if it is not paid, we need to show in INE. आप पीएल में क्या करते हो? 11 महीने का सैलरी पे किया, एक महीने का आउटस्टैंडिंग है, तो आप एक महीने का आउटस्टैंडिंग ऐड करते हो ना? क्यों? सो इट इज नॉट पेड बट आई हैव टू शो इन आईएनई. सेम स्टोरी. ऑडिट फी नॉट पेड बट आई हैव टू शो इन आईएनई. आई हैव टू बुक द एक्सपेंसेस, देन माय प्रॉफिट विल बी करेक्ट. Yeah. So this for my routine payment, no discussion. No discussion about this. Routine payments, no adjustment. Now depreciation, very important, my sports equipment. My sports equipment. Okay, fine. So what is given first of all? What is given first of all? Tell me guys, what is the sports equipment opening balance is given? What is closing balance is given? Be fast. Tell me guys, what is opening balance of sports equipment given? What is closing balance is given? Sports equipment. Be fast. How much opening balance? How much closing balance? Okay, guys. Opening plus purchase minus sale minus depreciation equal to closing. This is our routine balance sheet format. Right, friends? Okay. Now, what is opening balance is given and what is closing balance is given? Sir, opening balance is given 2600. Closing balance is given 2700. I am writing in my balance sheet. Clear, guys? Simple. Okay. Okay. Now, in INE, if you see that in INE, sir, I am given depreciation 300. Yes, I am given depreciation 300. Okay. So now tell me guys, after this, okay, you have 2600 opening balance, 300 depreciation, but you have a closing balance of 2700. So tell me, during the year, have you purchased the equipment or you have sold the equipment? Either it is purchase or sale. Tell me guys. What? What? Either it is purchase or sale. You have a 2600 opening balance, 300 depreciation, 2700 closing balance. सो आपने ड्यूरिंग इक्विपमेंट परचेस किया कि सेल किया, प्लस हुआ कि माइनस हुआ? क्या हुआ गाइस? प्लस हुआ कि माइनस हुआ? यस गाइस, टेल मी डिफरेंस इज व्हाट? आपको प्लस करना पड़ेगा कि माइनस करना पड़ेगा? सर, if we add see, if we add here 400, तो ये इक्वेशन सही बैठता है. 2600 प्लस 4000 माइनस 300 इक्वल टू 2700. डन गाइस? ऐड करना पड़ेगा. सो सेल इज 0 एंड परचेज इज 400. ओके, और you can simply understand 2600 of opening balance, 300 depreciation, so my closing balance should be 2300. Clear guys? 2600 opening balance, 300 depreciation, so my closing balance should be 2300. But no sir, balance sheet में बोला है कि closing balance is 2700. sir, actual में 2600 my opening balance, 300 depreciation, it should be 2300, but it is given 2700. What does it mean? 400 is purchase. 400 is purchase. Now it is clear guys. Now it is clear. Now it is clear, friend. And if it is purchase, it should be on payment side, my dear friends. It should be on payment side, my dear friends. Sports equipment purchase, 400 purchase equipment, it should be on payment side. It should be on payment side. Then guys, it should be on payment side, guys. Clear, guys? Write it carefully, guys. Write it carefully. it should be on payment side. Clear? Okay. So it is over, guys. And surplus 600, surplus 600, surplus 600. It should be added in a capital fund. Whatever capital fund we will find out, we will add surplus. It is 600. We'll add surplus 600. Yes, guys. And all the adjustment, salary we have taken, expenses we have taken, audit fee we have taken, lease ground we have taken, equipment we have taken, loan we have taken, and closing balance 1600 also we have taken. So guys, if everything is over, you can freeze the RMP. 4700, 560, 200, 1000, 45 double, 1000, 450, it is 450, 1500, 150, 400 and 1600. So on payment side, it should be 10500. 10500. And from this 10500, you have to minus 1, 2, 3, 4 amount 250, 1000, 750 and 7170. Okay, so this balancing figure is 1390. This balancing figure will be 1390. And this 1390 will be transferred to opening balance sheet. Opening balance sheet. कर दिया चंचल, मैंने कर दिया. हाँ 10560. Understood. Okay. 10560. And this 1390, friend, this 1390 should be part of opening balance sheet. So please write 1390 as a cash balance in opening balance sheet here. Okay, guys. Now in opening balance sheet, 10,000, 2,600, 600, 1390. So it is 14590. 14590. Okay. 450, 400, 2000 and 200. So balancing figure is 11,540. 11,540. 11,540. And this 11,540 will be part of closing balance sheet. वैसे ही ओपनिंग कैश बैलेंस जाएगा ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट में, क्लोजिंग कैश बैलेंस जाएगा क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट में. And please write 11540 in a closing balance sheet plus surplus 600. So it will be 12140. Eleven five four zero plus 600. Okay. And here it is over and out. 270 is there, 250 is there, 450 is there, 2000 is there, and 12140 is there. So total should be 15110. 15110. Same with asset side, guys. 10,000 is there, 2700 is there, 750, 60, and 1600 is there. So total will be both the side. Total will be both the side 15110. 15110. Done, guys? One five one zero. Done, guys. Okay. Okay, Aniket. Now it is clear. Okay. So guys, समय समाप्त हो चुका है और ये जो आपका नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो भी सेम कंसेप्ट का है. ओके गाइस, जस्ट जस्ट फॉर योर स्मॉल अंडरस्टैंडिंग गाइस, आपका ये जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 है वो भी सेम है. यू आर गिवन INE, यू आर गिवन बैलेंस शीट, ये तो उससे भी इजी है. एंड यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर दी RNP, राइट? प्रिपेयर RNP. सो सेम तरीके से सेम कंसेप्ट से बनाना है जो अभी हमने सीखा. अगर 10th बराबर समझ में आ गया है तो 11 समझ में आ ही जाएगा. अगर 10th बराबर समझ में आ गया है तो 11 समझ में आ ही जाएगा. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. डोंट वरी अबाउट दैट. Okay, guys, so it is over and out. So wish you all the luck, guys. यहाँ पर it is my last session, तो इसलिए दोनों सम जो पिछले थे, जो बड़े सम थे, हम एकदम शांति से किए. ठीक है. Sure, sure, Amit, sure. It is that. It is that. It is that. It is that. Or guys, thank you guys. Thank you very much. Wish you all the luck. Wish you all the luck. एंड अगर कुछ हो तो यू कैन सेंड द मेल जिस तरीके से टाइम परमिट करेगा उस तरीके से आई विल ट्राई टू रिवर्ट राइट गाइस बट जो आज हमने कंसेप्ट सीखे अगर उसी तरीके से करोगे तो मेरे हिसाब से कोई इश्यू नहीं आएगा 100% बराबर है थैंक यू प्रतीक्षा हाँ उल्टा चलना पड़ेगा सही है मैं जस्ट देख रहा हूं ऊपर अगर कोई स्पेसिफिक क्वेरी हो तो थैंक यू ध्रुव ओके आई थिंक देयर इज नो एनी पेंडिंग खुशी क्या लिखा है समझ में नहीं आया हार्ट को हम चुरा चुके सर जी हमारे चुंगल से नहीं जाएगा सब्सक्रिप्शन एक बार क्लैरिफाई करना ठीक है ओके इट सिम्स ऑल इज डन फिर भी कुछ हो तो मेल कर सकते हो गाइस जिस तरीके से टाइम परमिट करेगा उस तरीके से आई विल ट्राई टू आंसर श्योर अमित यस अमित you just request to the management I will do it full don't worry yeah you can ask doubt in mail it is cmhirpujara1@gmail.com बट जिस तरीके से टाइम परमिट करेगा बिकॉज आई एम ए प्रैक्टिसिंग चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट तो थोड़ा ऑफिस का माहौल चलता रहा है लेकिन मैं अपनी अपने हिसाब से आई विल रिवर्ट बैक ओके गाइस ओके गाइस गुड बाय हैव अ नाइस टाइम गुड बाय थैंक यू फॉर द इंटरेक्टिव स्टूडेंट्स थैंक्स फॉर द इंटरेक्टिव स्टूडेंट्स गाइस गुड बाय हैव अ नाइस टाइम विश यू ऑल द लक